Hey, so today I'm cooking on the fly. I have some leftover chicken. I'm tired of plain old chicken, so I'm gonna make a creamy dill sauce. This is what I have. I have my leftover chicken, sour cream, heavy whipping cream, chicken bone broth, dill, asparagus, this is going to be my side dish, Dijon mustard, butter, minced garlic, garlic salt, and a lemon. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of butter, put it in my cast iron skillet, turn the heat on, put some minced garlic in there. That might be a little too much. We're going to heat this up, but we're not going to brown it. While we're waiting for that, I'm going to cut my lemon, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, now we're going to stir this. Now if you're using a smaller pan, you can use a whisk. We're just going to heat this up. A half a cup of bone broth. Now we're going to heat this on medium-high heat. We're going to heat it until it thickens. Half a cup of heavy cream. Now we're going to turn down the heat and simmer. Now we're going to add the chicken right to the pan. I'm going to put some dill in here. I'm going to cut the tips of my asparagus. I'm going to put them right in the pan. Now you can add some of this if you want to thicken it up a little bit. I'm going to do that just because I'm hungry. I'm ready to plate my chicken. Now we're going to plate the asparagus. We're going to take our sauce and pour it right over the chicken. Look at that. Now I made this quick sauce if you don't want to cook it on the stove. And you can use this to dip cucumbers or crackers or cheese. Makes a nice snack. It kind of tastes like Greek yogurt sauce, only dill. So you can make this up. I'm going to take my sauce and put it right on my plate with my chicken.